Hello everyone, in this video we just introduce before the work. This one is 2003 Ford BABF Falcon, and this one comes with the Ford standard radios and the ICC controller for the air conditioner control. So the car was in the same hands for 10 years, more than 10 years, and the owner said that the whole system just went up and down recently, and then 6 weeks ago it completely stopped. So what it means is it stopped the radio and it stopped the air conditioner control at the same time. So basically we are doing the removal and do all the tests and see if we can recover the system to the normal upgrade system or not, which we are hoping for the best, but we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one. And if you like it, please don't forget to click subscription. Thank you. See you then.